Put this in your morning coffee, and you might just feel like you're walking in your 40s again. Most people sip coffee each morning to wake up or feel alert. But what if that same cup could actually rebuild your strength, improve your balance, and bring back the energy you thought was gone? Recent research shows that adding one simple natural powder to your daily coffee can support muscle recovery, improve blood flow, and make your joints more flexible, helping you move with ease and confidence again. In today's video, we're revealing the top 3 coffee additions that help seniors restore mobility, rebuild strength, and stay energized all day long. Stay tuned, because one of them works so quickly that many older adults notice a difference in just a few short weeks. Before we begin, let me know where you're watching from today. Drop a quick comment below and share how you like your coffee in the morning. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple, science-backed tip from No Pill Zone. Item number 1, collagen peptide powder. Let's start with the main ingredient, collagen peptide powder. This easy addition can turn your everyday cup of coffee into a powerful tool for rebuilding strength and restoring youthful movement. But how does it work exactly? Let's break it down. As we age, our body naturally makes less collagen, the protein that keeps our muscles firm, joints flexible, and connective tissue strong. After 60, collagen levels can drop by more than half. That's why so many people notice weaker joints, slower recovery, and that heavy, tired feeling in their legs after walking or standing. Adding collagen peptides to your coffee helps close that gap. It gives your body the key amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, needed to rebuild and repair muscle fibers. Think of these as the building blocks your body uses to strengthen tissues, ease stiffness, and improve flexibility. Now, why mix collagen with coffee instead of taking it alone? It's all about absorption. The warmth of your coffee helps dissolve collagen peptides completely, making them easier for your body to absorb. Plus, the caffeine in coffee boosts blood flow, helping those amino acids travel faster to your muscles and joints. Many seniors who take collagen this way report noticeable improvements, stronger legs, fewer cramps, and smoother, easier movement within just a few weeks. And yes, collagen really can make you feel stronger and more flexible. Several studies have confirmed measurable improvements in muscle tone, bone strength, and mobility when collagen is taken daily. In one clinical trial, older adults who added collagen peptides to their routine saw about a 5% increase in muscle strength after only 12 weeks, and they didn't even need to change their exercise habits. That's because collagen works at the cellular level. It helps muscles repair tiny tears, stay elastic, and resist fatigue. It also strengthens the ligaments and cartilage that cushion your knees, hips, and ankles, areas that depend heavily on collagen to stay smooth and pain-free. When collagen levels fall, these tissues dry out, making every step stiffer and more uncomfortable. But when you replenish collagen, you bring back that smooth glide inside your joints. For many seniors, this means walking longer distances without soreness and feeling steady and confident again. When choosing collagen, go for hydrolyzed collagen peptides. This is the most easily absorbed form. It dissolves completely in hot drinks like coffee and has no taste or texture, so you won't even know it's there. For an extra boost, combine it with a little vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body produce and use collagen more effectively, speeding up the repair process. For best results, add 1 scoop, about 10 to 15 grams, of collagen peptide powder to your morning coffee. Stir until it's fully dissolved, and try drinking it on an empty stomach if you can. The secret is consistency. Use it every day, and within a few weeks, most people begin to notice real changes: better flexibility, stronger legs, and less stiffness when getting up or walking. If you're a senior who wants to feel more energetic, balanced, and confident, this one small daily habit can make a visible difference. It's not magic. It's simply science meeting consistency. Adding collagen powder to your morning coffee might just be the easiest way to restore strength, balance, and steady movement after 60. Item number 2, cacao powder. Now let's talk about the next powerhouse ingredient. Cacao powder the rich chocolatey addition that does much more than make your coffee taste amazing. Beneath its flavor lies a remarkable secret. Cacao can improve circulation, boost oxygen flow, and help your muscles perform better with every step. Cacao is rich in flavonoids, natural compounds that keep your blood vessels healthy and support nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and open wider, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles. For seniors, that means more energy, faster recovery, and lighter legs after walking or climbing stairs. Since poor circulation is a common reason older adults feel tired or off balance, cacao can help reverse that by improving blood flow from head to toe. Cacao is also loaded with magnesium, an essential mineral for muscle relaxation, nerve health, and steady energy production. Low magnesium can cause stiffness, cramps, or even restless legs at night. Just 1 tablespoon of cacao powder gives around 65 milligrams of magnesium, helping your muscles relax and stay calm throughout the day. When combined with collagen, cacao creates a perfect balance. Collagen rebuilds tissue, while cacao improves circulation to nourish those tissues. So, can cacao really help you move better? Yes, studies say it can. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who drank flavonoid-rich cocoa daily improved blood vessel function by up to 20%. That means stronger oxygen delivery to muscles, the key to endurance and steady energy all day long. Improved circulation also helps the brain, keeping you alert, focused, and clear-minded after your morning cup. Another major bonus? Cacao is a natural anti-inflammatory. Unlike processed chocolate, pure cacao is low in sugar and full of antioxidants that protect your muscles and blood vessels from wear and tear. These compounds reduce inflammation in the knees, calves, and legs, helping prevent soreness after simple daily activities. So how should you use it? Start small, about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of pure cacao per cup. Mix it with your collagen powder before adding hot water or coffee so it dissolves smoothly. You'll enjoy a gentle chocolate aroma, a natural lift in energy, and a warming sense of circulation flowing through your body. Many seniors describe it as feeling awake in the legs, less stiffness, more strength, and a better sense of balance when moving around the house or going for walks. Cacao supports not only your muscles, but also your entire circulatory system, turning your morning coffee into a truly revitalizing ritual. And unlike sugary cocoa mixes, pure cacao won't spike your blood sugar or cause crashes later in the day. It gives you a steady, natural form of energy, the kind that lasts. For anyone over 60 wanting to bring back youthful energy and movement, cacao offers a simple, delicious way to do it, 1 cup at a time. Item number 3, cinnamon. Finally, let's move to cinnamon, the warm, aromatic spice that adds depth and comfort to your coffee while offering surprising benefits for muscle function, blood sugar balance, and stable energy throughout the day. Cinnamon works differently from collagen or cacao. Instead of directly targeting muscles or blood vessels, it helps regulate blood sugar, one of the most overlooked factors behind fatigue, stiffness, and weakness in older adults. When your blood sugar levels swing up and down, your energy does the same. Those spikes and crashes can leave you feeling drained, heavy, or sluggish. Over time, they also make your muscles less responsive and more prone to inflammation. By keeping glucose levels steady, cinnamon ensures your muscles have a consistent fuel supply, allowing them to contract and relax smoothly without that tired legs feeling. The secret lies in cinnamon's active compounds, cinnamaldehyde and polyphenol, which improve insulin sensitivity. This means your cells absorb glucose more efficiently instead of leaving it to linger in your bloodstream. As a result, your muscles get steady, reliable energy to stay strong and flexible all day long. For seniors, this simple coffee trick can do more than just wake you up. It can help your body move and feel younger again. When you combine collagen, cacao, and cinnamon, something remarkable happens. Your energy becomes steadier, your legs feel lighter, and your joints move with ease. Let's talk about cinnamon, the third and final powerhouse in this blend. Cinnamon helps your body maintain stable energy all day long, reducing those mid-afternoon crashes that make you feel drained. It also improves circulation, helping your muscles stay nourished and responsive, especially when walking, climbing stairs, or staying active. But that's not all. Cinnamon is loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, which protect your muscles and joints from wear and tear. Over time, free radicals damage tissues and speed up stiffness. Cinnamon helps block that process, keeping your body's collagen strong and active. Together, collagen, cacao, and cinnamon form a perfect trio. Collagen rebuilds and strengthens your tissues. Cacao nourishes your circulation and energy. Cinnamon stabilizes everything, keeping inflammation low and sugar levels balanced. Science backs this up. Studies show that even small daily amounts of cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar by 10 to 20% in older adults. That means better energy use, improved heart health, and less overall inflammation. Key benefits for anyone over 60 trying to stay mobile and pain-free. If joint stiffness or fatigue has been holding you back, this small change can make a big difference in comfort and flexibility. How to add cinnamon to your coffee the right way. Start with half a teaspoon per cup. You can sprinkle it directly into your coffee or mix it into your collagen and cacao blend before pouring the hot water. This helps it blend evenly and adds a warm, cozy aroma. For a milder flavor, use a cinnamon stick while brewing. It releases the benefits slowly without overpowering the taste. And when you buy cinnamon, look for Ceylon or true cinnamon. It's gentler, safer for daily use, and naturally sweeter than the common cassia type. This tiny upgrade can help. Keep your energy steady, not spiky. Ease inflammation in joints and muscles. Support smoother movement throughout the day. For seniors aiming to stay active, strong, and pain-free, adding cinnamon to your morning coffee is one of the simplest and most enjoyable habits you can start today. If this video gave you new ideas, don't forget to tap the like button. It helps more people discover natural ways to age with strength and ease. And remember, a scoop of collagen, a teaspoon of cacao, or a pinch of cinnamon may seem small, but over time, those small habits create lasting change. Many older adults report feeling lighter on their feet and more stable in their legs within just a few short weeks. Drop a comment below and tell us how you take your coffee. Have you tried any of these before? We love hearing your stories. And if you enjoy practical, science-backed tips to move, feel, and live better every day, make sure to subscribe to No Pill Zone and turn on notifications. Stay consistent, stay active, and as always, remember, your best years are still ahead.